Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The 2025 PS5 update finally brings universal Bluetooth earbud support directly to your console, a much-requested feature. This means you can now use your favorite earbuds for immersive game audio and clear voice chat, completely wirelessly. Say goodbye to proprietary dongles and limited options. Connecting your everyday earbuds is now incredibly simple, enhancing your gaming experience significantly with rich sound and ultimate freedom. Get ready to enjoy your games like never before. While the 2025 update enables the technology, you will still need a specific USB-C Bluetooth audio adapter. This tiny, affordable device plugs directly into your PS5 front USB-C port, acting as the crucial link between your console and your earbuds. Look for adapters that explicitly state PlayStation 5 compatibility and support Bluetooth 5.0 or newer. This ensures the best possible audio quality and minimal lag during your gaming sessions. First, power on your PlayStation 5 and verify that it has the latest 2025 system software installed. You can check this in the system settings. Next, find the USB-C port on the front of your console. It's typically on the far right, near the other USB ports. Carefully plug your new Bluetooth audio adapter into this port, making sure it's seated firmly. Some adapters might have a small indicator light that illuminates once connected correctly. Now it's time to connect your earbuds. Take your earbuds out of their case and put them into pairing mode. This often involves a long press on a button or opening the case. Next, press the small pairing button on your USB-C adapter plugged into the PS5. The adapter's indicator light will flash quickly, searching for devices. Within moments, your earbuds should connect, and the adapter's light will turn solid, signaling a successful pairing. With your earbuds paired, navigate to the PS5 quick menu by pressing the PlayStation button on your controller. Go to the sound option to confirm your earbuds are selected as the audio output. Here, you can also fine-tune your game volume and chat mix for the perfect balance. If you experience any audio drops or connection issues, simply repair your earbuds or restart your PS5 for a quick refresh. Enjoy your enhanced wireless gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.